What is up, YouTube? Today is a very special day. A few months back, I was thinking about getting into a hobby, and I didn't know what I wanted to do, but I have found that, you know, as kids, we always had so many hobbies. We had things we like to go do, have fun, things to kind of relax the brain, if you will. And then you get older and you kind of get away from that stuff. And for a long time, working out was my hobby. It is not anymore. It's just something that I do to, you know, stay in shape, stay healthy. So I went on this journey to try to find what I wanted to do as a hobby. So there was a time in that journey that I thought, cool, you know what? I'm gonna get a motorcycle license and maybe I'll get a motorcycle. But I didn't do that. Then I came across something very cool that I had seen around, did a lot of research, and me being me, I went for it. Put my order in and ordered the Super73 S2 e-bike. It has been 2 months because they were on back order because of pandemic. Everybody went and got hobbies except for me during 2020. So I waited 2 long months and it is finally here. Today was the day it was delivered, and now I'm going to unbox it for you. I'm going to set it up, show you how all of that happens. Supposedly it's supposed to be quick and easy. So let's hope. I tend to have to install and reinstall IKEA furniture because I didn't get it right the first time. So let's just hope that that's not one of these cases and that it truly is just easy peasy, because I'm ready to get out there and ride. So let's install. Pray for me. Here we go. Alright guys, got it all out of the box, and now I have it on the kickstand so that I can actually put it together. And I have all my stuff laid out. Battery. Most important thing, instruction manual. Comes with the Allen wrench and what I know it to be as a monkey wrench. Not sure what these are for just yet, but hold on to them because you know, I typically probably would be the one to throw them out and then find out I need them later. Pedals and the battery charger. So that's everything that comes with it. And now we're gonna put this bad boy together. Maybe I'll even time myself to see how quickly I can get it done correctly. All right, here we go. All right, now pedals. If you look at them, very hard to see, but they have tiny little L and a tiny little R to let you know what side they go on, which is great because this is usually where I get lost with IKEA furniture. So let's throw these on. Alright guys, that is assembly, and it really was as easy as YouTube made it look. The only thing left is adding the battery, but I'm letting that charge, and then once it's charged I'll throw the battery on and I will do a quick little overview of the bike and maybe a time lapse of me riding it and enjoying it. So I'm super excited. I will catch up with you guys when the battery is done charging. Alright guys, I had to wait 5 hours for the battery to charge, but we are all charged and good to go. I've already done one spin around the neighborhood, one just to get a feel for it, and I had to do that off camera just in case I made a burp of myself. So did a full lap around the neighborhood. Thing is fast. I have it all the way on the top pedal assist speed, and then I went into the app and actually went to max class, which is class 4, which takes it all the way up to unlimited speed without pedal assist, which if I catch a little breeze is about 30 miles an hour, and you definitely feel it. This thing is going to be super fun and I'm super excited. Janet just got home. She already wants to take a ride on the back, so we're going to go for a little ride. I will get back on and give my final thoughts on this bad boy, and let's just hope we don't fall off. So, see ya.